Behind me is the new gearbox for the L120H that I will change today. I've always known that I will become a technician. It's interesting to do repairs and solve problems, to find solutions. When I was 13 years old, I bought a moped, but my mother said I could only drive it in our yard outside the house. But that was boring. So I took it apart, which my mother did not like at all. But it worked much better when I put it back together again. As a Swecon technician, you do the service and maintenance on Volvo CE machines. When we do advanced service, like changing gearboxes or engines, we do it in the service hall. But most of the other smaller jobs are done out on location. Most of the machines, especially in the mine, they run 18-20 hours every day. This makes a new machine grow old quickly. What I like most about my job is that it's varied. One day, you're 1,365 meters underground in the mine doing service, and another day, you're out on the S range doing service on a machine. I like my job because I like to fix things and to meet satisfied people. It gives me a kick.